What a morning we've had already.
Yes. Hello, Veggie Kingdom. If you do, hello, hi, and welcome.
Yeah, we want to thank you all so much for coming by and checking us out.
Yes, today it took us forever to get here. We're going to try to get on Tiana's Bayou adventure and then just kind of hang out with some friends and see what else we can do. Yeah,
for sure. But if you are new, don't forget to subscribe and check us out every Wednesday and Sunday for new videos.
Yes, and if you like this video and all of our other videos, please give a huge thumbs up and don't forget to comment.
Yes, Amber, it's almost 1 o'clock. You gotta pump the app. You ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Any fans down here? Come out, wherever you are.
Never mind then. You told me to get it and then.
They have to hit a circle.
It's an aftershock.
Now this is pretty. I miss that. That's what I said. Why couldn't we do more?
Tiana wouldn't keep y'all. This nautical band she found to play. Hallelujah.
I would love for y'all to plant my party tonight.
We all don't want to get along down here. That's how we do it. We were there for me. We all were there for you.
These cats temporary.
asking all of them to play at the party. And we've got to keep searching high and low.
How low can I go?
That's a street up there. Yeah. That's a street. No, we don't.
Where are friends now?
No, I know she's going to go down. He's back with his girlfriend. Love of his life. That was like the end of the really early. Now this is pretty.
This joint is hopping.
These tiny musicians you found really bring the heat.
Your joint getting tiny. Now let's get you back to your big, bold, beautiful self.
It looked like they were going to crash. Like all this is dark. Why is it so dark? It's the whole where's the Don't put your hands up. Let's walk it.
Get you to the party. You'll get there in no time. Guaranteed.
No.
Yep.
I'm so I didn't curse. It's fine if you do. I just, I went, oh my God. Did I curse?
No, it's fine if you
Mary might have.
It's fine.
There's a lot of fucking going on around here.
It's a lot of what?
Fucking going on around here.
I just closed my eyes and I knew the water was coming.
The water's coming out. It's like, oh my God, your pain is such force.
Oh, my eyes.
I have to get a picture of us. Oh, here, Brian, you and I are getting in here too.
Yeah, boy.
I remember we got stuck here once. Yeah, we did too.
Oh, man.
We're winter real. That is the boat. That is the boat. Look at that.
So housekeeping, we hope the audio was halfway decent. We actually put the camera away, we used our phone, so if it wasn't, we do apologize. But to be honest, how do you think?
It was really good. There was some parts that were kind of like, okay, but then otherwise it was really good considering. Yeah,
I'm, as you guys know, following our channel, I'm very nostalgic Disney, so not having Splash, it does suck, but this was better than I could ever have dreamt of, and all that kind of stuff. Honestly, it was really good. I felt it was really well put together. We were lucky enough to ride it. Yes. That's all we're gonna say. Yeah, honestly, if you made it this far, guys, thank you so much for stopping by. We hope that once Tiana's is officially open, that you're going to feel the same way we did. We hope you guys did enjoy the video, but if you did, give us a good thumbs up and comment. Yes. And then also subscribe. Yeah. And with that, guys, we'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.